Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Liberty County in southeastern Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardin, Oregon, 11 miles northeast of Liberty, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Liberty, Ames, DeZetta, Hardin, Kennewick, Devers, Dayton Lakes, and Moss Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.